Guys, today's lesson is on blood typing. Now, you guys should have already watched the Magic Doctor video on immunity. That covers everything you need to know for immunity. I'm not going to repeat everything that the Magic Doctor already taught you. It's a really informative video. It's pretty straightforward. So if you need help with it, then you can take a look at Dr. Taylor's video on immunity. But your Magic Doctor, that video is all you need to know. So the lesson I'm doing today is on blood typing. Okay, so you guys, you can imagine that this is your blood. And in your blood, you guys know there are red blood cells, okay? So there are red blood cells in your blood, and these blood cells contain markers, or they're called antigens, right? Now, when you watch the immunity video, you should know what an antigen is, right? So this is an antigen. You should know that your body, right, is uniquely yours, and that every cell in your body, you have 65 trillion cells, has its own unique marker. And that's why your cells don't attack themselves, because they recognize their own markers, right? But like if something comes in, like a bacteria, like here's a bacteria that's coming in, and let's say their markers on the bacteria look different, right? Then you're going to attack that. You don't recognize its antigens. And the same thing goes with like the coronavirus that has its like antigen on its surface, right? You don't recognize it, so your body attacks it. So the red blood cells, you can see, have their own antigens or their own markers that allows you to identify it, right? And everybody has a different blood type, or you know what, you could even have the same blood type as your friend. There are 4 different blood types, like your type A, type B, type AB, or type O. So we're going to take a look at what that means, okay? All right, so if you are, let's just get rid of all of this. If you are, so there's 4 different types, right? Like, so here, 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 here. So you could be type A, and your red blood cells would have this, right? Let's say type A blood looks like this, and let's say this is type B blood. Okay, and so you can see that type A blood has a different marker than type B blood, right? You can see type A blood, it looks like triangles, type B blood looks like circle. And then if you look at type AB, which is over here, you can see type AB is both circle and triangle like that. See that? And then this is type O, and you can see that type O has no antigens on it. There's no markers on it at all. It's like empty. It's like naked, right? And so that means, like, if you have type A blood, could you give your blood to somebody who's type B? Well, actually you can't, because type B, right, you can give, okay, let's say here's type B. You can give a type B to type B because they both have circles. And so the type B would recognize. And so if you want to get somebody to donate blood to you, type B can donate to type B. Type A can donate to type A. But can type A donate to type B? No, it cannot. Can type B donate to type A? No, it cannot. So they can't.